Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. As you may know, I'm inside a cutting. I'm currently at Lithgow station, just waiting on for the CPH Tin Hares to arrive on platform number 2. Today the CPH Ramos are doing a special trip from Central to Lithgow, which I'm currently at Lithgow at the moment. And later on, it will depart Lithgow for a return trip to Central. This is a special event train, something local, and I'm outside and I got my sunglasses on. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, sit back and enjoy the CPH Tin Hares at Lithgow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the CPH Tin Hares, pulling in on platform number 2 at Lithgow.
Yes, this is wonderful. Oh, David, it would be great for you to just relax now. Enjoy.
Leading loco, CPH 12.
Oh, look at this one.
Followed by CPH 25 and CPH 24. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, CPH 24 leading is now moving up the track on platform number 2. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.